What type of fuel consumption can be reduced by using a pressure cooker? A. Wood and charcoal. B. Petrol and diesel. C. Natural gas and coal. D. Kerosene and LPG. The correct answer is D. Kerosene and LPG. What happens as water is replaced during ORS treatment for diarrhea? A. Balance is attained. B. Digestion speeds up. C. Stomach acid production increases. D. Nutrient absorption decreases. The correct answer is A. Balance is attained. What type of voltage supplies are mentioned in the context of transformers? A. Alternating current only. B. Pulsating DC. C. Direct current only. D. Both AC and DC. The correct answer is A. Alternating current only. How are fertilizers used based on the nature of soil? A. Never used in agriculture. B. Only singly. C. Always as mixtures. D. Singly or as mixtures. The correct answer is D. Singly or as mixtures. What cures cough and cold when derived from Solanum trilobatum? A. Seeds and pollen. B. Flowers and stems. C. Leaves and fruits. D. Roots and bark. The correct answer is C. Leaves and fruits. The unit for frequency is typically expressed in which unit? A. Hertz, Hertz. B. Seconds, S. C. Meters, M. D. Meters per second, ms. The correct answer is A. Hertz, Hertz. Which part of the colon passes up the abdomen on the right side? A. Transverse colon. B. Sigmoid colon. C. Descending colon. D. Ascending colon. The correct answer is D. Ascending colon. What does cetane number measure in a diesel engine? A. The fuel's viscosity. B. The ignition delay of the fuel. C. The fuel's calorific value. D. The amount of fuel consumed per minute. The correct answer is B. The ignition delay of the fuel. What do the medullary pyramids consist of? A. Single large tubes. B. Spherical structures. C. Flat membranes. D. Multitubular conical masses. The correct answer is D. Multitubular conical masses. Where is the eye spot located in the Chlamydomonas cell? A. Near the nucleus. B. Anterior side of the chloroplast. C. In the cytoplasm. D. Posterior side of the chloroplast. The correct answer is B. Anterior side of the chloroplast. What type of ion is an acid capable of forming in an aqueous solution? A. Hydroxide ions, or B. Hydrogen ions, H+. C. Sodium ions, Na+. D. Chloride ions, Cl. The correct answer is B. Hydrogen ions, H+. What constitutes a current through a resistor? A. The potential difference. B. The time for which current passes. C. The useful work. D. The resistance of the resistor. The correct answer is A. The potential difference. What is required for a leaf's chlorophyll? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Thigmonesty. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. What defines a cell within a worksheet? A. The intersection of a row and a column. B. Its color and size. C. Its position on the screen. D. Its content type. The correct answer is A. The intersection of a row and a column. Which noble gas does a hydrogen atom resemble in its electronic configuration after forming a covalent bond? A. Argon. B. Helium. C. Neon. D. Krypton. The correct answer is B. Helium. What are the individual thin filaments that make up mycelium called? A. Yeasts. B. Thalli. C. Flagella. D. Hyphae. The correct answer is D. Hyphae. What marks the biological physical transition of adolescence? A. Decrease in weight. B. Termination of growth. C. Development of new organs. D. Onset of puberty. The correct answer is D. Onset of puberty. Which of these is a type of drug mentioned? A. Analgesics. B. Biometric. C. Electrorefining. D. Decoration. The correct answer is A. Analgesics. What type of body are equations of motion written for when it is falling without external influence? A. A freely falling body. B. A body under constant acceleration. C. A body in orbital motion. D. A body moving at constant velocity. The correct answer is A. A freely falling body. What does the geologic time scale relate to time? A. The gravitational pull of celestial bodies. B. The magnetic field of the Earth. C. The movement of tectonic plates in real time. D. Geological rock strata. The correct answer is D. Geological rock strata. What characteristic allows red light to travel the longest distance through air and fog? A. Its ability to be easily absorbed. B. Its highest wavelength. C. Its low intensity. D. Its high frequency. The correct answer is B. Its highest wavelength. How many moons does Earth have? A. 1. B. 0. C. Multiple. D. 2. The correct answer is A. 1. Which liquid mentioned in the text flows with a moderate speed? A. B. B. Coconut oil. C. Water. D. Honey. The correct answer is B. Coconut oil. What celestial body was observed to have variations in its apparent size and brightness? A. Mars. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Venus. The correct answer is D. Venus. What is the visible symptom of goiter? A. Deformed bones. B. Stunted growth. C. Mental defect. D. Swelling in the neck. The correct answer is D. Swelling in the neck. What material is the fuse wire typically made of within a glass fuse? A. A material with low resistance. B. A material that conducts heat poorly. C. A material with a low melting point. D. A material that expands when heated. The correct answer is C. A material with a low melting point. What is the primary definition of alericulture? A. Vegetable farming. B. The study of dairy farming. C. The cultivation of ornamental plants. D. The production of honey. The correct answer is A. Vegetable farming. How did sailors find direction in olden days? A. Using a suspended piece of magnet. B. By the sun. C. Using a compass. D. By the stars. The correct answer is A. Using a suspended piece of magnet. Which hormone regulates androgen production? A. GH hormone. B. LH hormone. C. ACTH hormone. D. TSH hormone. The correct answer is B. LH hormone. What is the primary function of the pleura? A. To separate body cavities. B. To carry oxygen. C. To protect the lungs. D. To perform chemical reactions. The correct answer is C. To protect the lungs. How did you score?